So today, yippee skippy. Sequencing, what is sequence?
In order.
In order. So when we put things in order, what does that mean? From the,
Least to greatest.
well, it could be least to greatest, but maybe the beginning all the way to the end. So is the alphabet in order?
Yes.
Yes, so it's a sequence, right? Okay, so let's review. My beforehand is my
Right.
Right.
left hand, my after hand is my
Right.
right hand. The initial letter of the alphabet is,
A.
the final letter of the alphabet is,
Z.
the medial letters are,
B through Y.
Y.
and the middle two letters are.
M and N.
How many letters in the alphabet?
26.
Good job. There are two kinds of letters. What are they?
There are
Vowels and consonants.
Good. And we're going to use our alphabet strip today. So if you'll just touch and name the alphabet, we'll do it together. So your beforehand goes on what letter?
A.
Your afterhand goes on,
Z.
let's put it in the middle so we can meet. There you go. Like that. And then when you get here, you'll switch fingers. Remember? Okay. All right, let's say them together. Ready? Touch and name. A, B, C, D, E,
F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Very good. All right, we're going to look at some missing letters and see how you do. So I'm going to show you two letters, and there's a letter that's missing, and you're going to tell me the letter that's missing. So name the two letters you see, and then name the letter that comes after them in sequence. So for example, N-O,
P.
okay? All right, you ready? Rebecca, you're going to go first.
K. K.
K,
I.
L.
L.
So if you need to use your strip.
G.
No, find the K.
O.
Find K. You're putting them in order. K, L.
M.
So what's missing?
N.
No, what letter is missing?
M.
M.
Q, R, S.
Okay,
E. F. G.
good,
F, G, H.
good.
G. H. T. G. H. I.
I. Let me mix it up a minute.
D, E, F.
Good.
C. B. F. E.
What is it?
C. B.
H, I, J.
V. W. X.
All right, good job. Okay, so when we're looking at sequence, the sequence is always the same. So when we have a letter missing, we should be able to go in sequence to figure out what letter is missing, right? Because it's always the same. Are the letters G, H, I in sequence?
No.
G, H, I.
Yeah.
Are they in sequence?
Yes.
Yes. What letter comes after K?
L.
Good. All right. So moving on. Let's review our letters. Ready? Together.
B,
B.
P, D, T, I, V, F.
Good, Rebecca?
B.
Okay.
P. D. T. I. V.
All right, Diego.
P, T, V, B, D, I, F.
Good job. All right, keywords and sounds. We'll just alternate, okay?
Igloo.
Table,
Dog.
pig,
Bat.
fish.
Violin.
Violin. All right, good job. Okay. So we can get rid of these. And we'll just leave them right here so we don't lose them. All right, repeat these words. Apt,
Apt,
bad,
bad,
that.
that.
What sound do you hear alike in all words?
A.
Not letter, what sound? Not
Ah.
I didn't say upt, I said apt. So what sound do you hear the same? So when you have your mirrors, and you make the ah sound, what part of your mouth is working?
Your
Ah.
your mouth.
Yeah, your mouth. What is your mouth doing? Ah.
It is smiling.
It is smiling. So you're smiling. So this is another smiling sound. What was our first smiling vowel?
It was it.
I. Now we have ah. Okay, notice the difference in your mouth. When you look in your mirror, do I, ah. What does your mouth do with ah? I, ah. It opens up more, right? But you're still smiling. You still have that smile. What do we know about a sound that is open and voiced? So, is this open? Ah.
Yes.
Yes. Is it voiced? Ah.
Yes.
So what do we know about that sound? What kind of letter is it?
It is a vowel.
Good job. It is a vowel. So we have our smiling vowel. Okay, so we have these words. We have these words. What letter do you see alike?
A.
Apt, bad, vat. What letter?
A.
A. So we have the A. Okay. What kind of letter do you see after A? A consonant. So we have a P, D, and T. So when you see A before a consonant, it makes what sound? Ah. Ah. Remember we talked the other day about our rules? And we looked at our vowel consonant sound. And when you have a vowel and a closed syllable, it is short,
coded with a brief.
Good job. So these words have this closed syllable because they're only one syllable. All right. All right. So the name of our letter is A. Good job. And we have a riddle. We have a riddle that goes with us to help us remember it. So listen to this riddle. According to legend, Sir Isaac Newton's observation of this falling object led to his early thoughts about gravity. This small rounded fruit has a red, yellow, or green skin. It is said that one of these a day will keep the doctor away. The key word is?
Apple.
Apple. Apple. Ah. Good job. All right. So now we're going to look at how to write the letter A in cursive. So we're moving on down our schedule here. So we're going to look at how to write the letter A in cursive. We know that our print A looks like this, correct? Our manuscript or print A. So this is going to be an over, under, stop. Curve under, over. Sorry, curve under, over, stop. A just takes up one line. It takes up one line. So when we write in cursive, let me get a different color. We have our baseline, curve under, over, stop, come back around, pull straight down, up, close it, and release. So it looks very similar to our manuscript or print A. The only difference is we have this little intro at the front. All right, so let's stand and do our skywrite. So everybody gets to stand. This is our daily exercise. Stretch it out. You can't stand up. Uh-oh. Okay, so we start where? Our baseline is our waistline. So we want this hand out here. What do we do with this hand? Just let it flop? No, we put it over here, remember, and it holds things in place. That way our arms don't. We don't have a noodle arm. All right, so we're out here. So baseline is waistline. We're going to start here. We do curve under, over, stop, trace back around, up, close, pull straight down, and release. All right, together. I want to hear you. Curve under, over, stop, trace back around, up, down, and release. Good job. Okay, have a seat. Open up to your next lesson, which will be... You have a headache? Yeah, I'm sorry. Page 21. Page 21 is where we're at. Here's your pencils. So I want you to name and trace with your pencil. Try to name and trace the A. curve under, over, stop, trace back around, close, pull down, and release. Okay, on the next one, trace it again, but say the letter. Ready? A. Good. All right, so name and make a copy beside it. Good, Diego. Good, Rebecca. Now make one more copy. Pencil down. Good. All right, the name of the letter is A. All right, I'm going to give you the name of the letter. You give me the keyword and sound. A.
Apple,
A.
apple,
A.
apple,
All right, I'm going to give you the sound. You give me the keyword and letter. A.
apple, A,
A.
apple, A,
A.
Apple A.
Good job. The name of the letter is
A,
the keyword and sound.
apple, A.
Good job. Make one more copy. Go ahead and fill in that row. So we'll have 3 copies actually. And what is that letter? It's okay. Just don't worry about erasing. Just go beside it and make another one.
A.
Very good. All right. Good job. All right. And so what is the name of this sound? Ah, smiling vowel. Ah, good job. Okay. All right. So we will practice some more down here at the bottom for our homework. Okay. So moving on. Code and read. All right. Go ahead and look at that. I've got to do attendance real quick. All right, so when we do our code and read, we're going to look at these words together. So we have what's the next one? Okay, so let's code and read these. Remember, we code them first, then read them. So when we start with this one, what do we say? A vowel in a closed syllable is short, coded with a breathe. And this is
Bat.
All right? A vowel in a closed syllable is short, coded with a breathe. This is fad. A vowel in a closed syllable is short, coded with a breathe. Bat. Bat. All right. So I want you to do the next line on your own, and then I'm going to let you tell me how you coded it. So do line 2 on your own. Alright, so tell me what you did on line 2, the first word. What did we do? Rebecca, what did we do?
We a vowel in syllable short code.
What is that word? What is it? Tad. Okay?
A vowel in a closed syllable is short, coded with a brief. Dab.
Sorry, I was looking at the last one down. Okay, so next, the letter A. The letter A by itself, we know from our instant words, what does the letter A by itself say?
Ah.
Right? I have a ball. I have a ball. I went to the ball. So we know we say and the on those. Alright, the letter A is an unaccented word. It's unaccented. It doesn't have any stress on it. It's unaccented. All vowel sounds are open and voiced. Accent